Alright, testing, mic clear. Okay, this is Robert from Maintenance, recording this instructional guide for newcoming employees, and also to prove to corporate that I'm not slacking off, which, look, corporate, no slacking off here, pure hard work we're doing. Alright, anyway, this end Ryan here back for repair after a technical issue on stage, which they of course did not mention, which gives us the opportunity to find it ourselves. To do this, we've got to run some tests on him and then point out the mistake. It's really easy when you get used to it. Okay, here we go. Start of Ryan Diagnostic in 3, 2, 1. Nice. 1, shut. 2, shut. 3, shut. 4, shut. 5, shut. 6, shut. 7, shut. 8, shut. 9, shut. 10. Eye direction. Right, left, 2, left, 3, left, 4, left, 5, left, 6, left, 7, left, 8, left, 9, left, 10. Head. Right, left, 2, left, 3, left, 4, left, 5, left, 6, left, 7, left, 8, left, 9, left, 10. Arm. 1, string, 2, string, 3, string, 4, string, 5, string, 6, string, 7, string, 8, string, 9, string, 10. Alright. Jaw. 1, shut. 2, shut. 3, shut. 4, shut. Oh, jeez. Okay. Jaw seems to be the problem, of course. Probably should have checked that first. How is it go with this one? Okay. Just want to shut it off. Okay. Whew. Okay, just head on to the back of the animatronic and there we go, all fixed up. So after that oh shoot, how do I turn this thing off? Whatever, I'll cut it out later. Hello? Oh, Peter, hey man, what's up? Yeah, I'm just working the late shift again, yeah. Ryan broke down again. It's Jaw. Corporate made me record this crappy diagnostic for proof of hard work, I think. Yeah, I know it sucks. Anyway, where have you been? Really? Is it fun over there? Yeah, that sounds cool. Well, yeah, I've been busy too, but oh shoot, spider. Oh, sorry, there's a spider in my camera. Got it off. Yeah. Hey, speaking of which, I should probably get back to work. I don't want to go home late. Alright, talk to you later. Anyway, where was I? Right. What the? Okay. Hello? Hey, if you're here, just, let yourself be known. Kinda scared me there. Hello? Hello? Oh, God. Hello? 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 What the hell? What? Oh, God. Oh, God.
Start a rubber diagnostic in 3, 2, 1. Jaw. 1, shut. 2, shut. 3, shut. 4.
Eyes. 1, shut. 2, shut. 3, shut. 4, shut. Arm. 1, string. 2, string. 3, string. 4, head. Right, left.